5 people died while 7 others were seriously injured when a matatu they were traveling in collided with a truck at Chebiwor area in Londiani along the Nakuru-Kericho Highway this morning. The matatu from Transline Shuttle was said to have been heading to Nairobi from Busia when the accident occurred. Londiani OCPD Joseph Odipo said the road, which has slopes and is slippery and has sharp corners, has become a black spot due to speeding, overtaking and careless driving. The wreckage of the 2 vehicles was towed to Londiani police station with the injured passengers taken to Londiani Sub-County Hospital before being referred to Kericho County Hospital. The bodies of the deceased were taken to Molo Sub-County mortuary.
Kuleta mkono hiyo nilikuwa na usingizi na vile niligongwa na hiyo kia mbele ili affect kichwa. Tulikuwa tumetoka Busia Ugunja tukienda Nairobi.